Hey you guys, this is Elson with Techie Tactics, and today I'm going to be going over with you ASO and SEO and kind of how they work together. So for those of you who are not familiar, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization and ASO stands for App Store Optimization. So everything about SEO and kind of what you want to rank for, different things here and there on search engines is about keywords. So hopefully you're doing proper research on what kind of keywords you should be ranking for, which ones are more or less competitive that you have more of a chance to rank for, as well as knowing how keywords and everything works on the back end of your page and kind of how to optimize for that. So the way that you do that is you put those keywords into your blog posts or your pages on certain points. So let's say in the title tag, let's say in the meta description, let's say in the alt tags, let's say in your slug or the URL, let's say in the meta description and things here and there, or maybe even anchor text. That's kind of how you rank, and that helps the search engines understand what your page is really all about and makes things easier for them. So imagine, these crawlers that kind of go through your site and verify what's it about, imagine, they are robots. Imagine in a way if these robots are kind of like Arnold Schwarzenegger back in the day, not even to the US yet, trying to maybe be Mr. Universe and all those things, and doesn't really understand maybe English all that well. Robots basically, they can read through what's going on with your website on the back end, and they can read the letters of what you're writing, but they don't understand kind of grammar and what they actually mean. So if they see something like, oh hey, like chocolate lab, if they see something like cocker spaniel, whatever have you, they don't know that those are dogs. A person can tell that, but a robot won't. So if you put those corresponding necessary keywords throughout all of your content, it's going to help it understand. It's going to help those crawlers understand better about what you're talking about in that post. So then if people search for that corresponding keyword on Google, Google's going to pull that into the search results, and hopefully that's going to be what people want and like, and that's obviously what Google intends and wants to happen. It wants to help users have a better user experience finding what they need to find, because if they can't, they're less likely to use a platform, and Google's less likely to make ad revenue and all those different things. So you want to make things as easy as possible with those corresponding keywords, which if you know SEO at all, you know that everything is about keywords. Now, how does that pertain to App Store optimization? So what App Store optimization is designing your app in different parts well so it ranks better in those app stores, so like Google Play and Apple App Store, which there are certain ways to build an app correctly so it engages people more, you have more inherent virality, you have more chances of it being shared with users and different things here and there. And I've known some businesses that aren't really aware of that from the beginning, so you kind of waste time if you don't build your app right from the jump, because otherwise you have to go back to your developer. They have to spend more time developing, spend more money developing, as well as everything in business is about speed. You want to move as fast as possible, so now that that gets delayed, it's a little unfortunate. But if you're good with SEO and you're kind of wondering how can I make an app more optimized, what you can do is, if you understand keywords, is that you can work with that App Store description, and here's how. So let's say you have an app, like a fashion AI app of some sort, that you take a picture and it scans like what you're wearing or different colors, whatever have you. So I got this blue shirt and these black jeans. Let's say that this app can tell people, oh hey, you're wearing a blue shirt, this is what type of jacket you should be wearing. Oh hey, you're wearing these pants, this is what color shirt you should be wearing. Oh hey, you're wearing that shirt, what type of leather jacket should you be wearing, or like what color, and things here and there. It can kind of give you advice. It's a fashion app. So obviously, in how kind of app stores work, is that what people search is what's going to pull, kind of very much so like SEO. So it's going to pull what people are searching, keywords, different things here and there, from what's based in your App Store description. So let's say that you have 3 competitors, and what you'll do is you'll go into that App Store description of each of those, copy and paste it onto a document, let's say like a Google document or some type of G Drive type of thing. You'll analyze that description for every single keyword that pops up in all 3 of them. So let's say in one of them you have 25 keywords that are kind of showing in that description. For another one you have 30 or 35, and then another one you have 40. So you have 25 keywords in this one, 35 in this one, 40 in that one. What you'll want to do is create a description that has at least 35 of those keywords, if not more. And when you do that, what's going to happen is that your app is more likely to pull into those searches, which means it's going to be more likely to be downloaded, which means it'll create more users, as well as hopefully more customers or more paying people and different things here and there. And it's going to help you succeed in growing your app, which if you're kind of building your app correctly, the more people that use it, the more people that are going to engage with it, the more people that are going to review with it, and it kind of builds from there. It gets it higher up in those ranks. So if you know SEO and you understand keywords, you can still do that with App Store optimization and optimizing an app and hoping or building things so it ranks better, and definitely helping other businesses win and increase your overall downloads and increase your users and help you win a little bit better. So thanks for listening. Have a great day.